Hello everyone, I'm here with a flip through of it was 6 bag journals, but now it's 5 because one I gave away as a gift. And I'm going to try not to make this too long and I can get this all in one video, but if not it might be 2 videos. But on the front of these bags I just did some layering. That is Tsunami Rose. And these tea cards are Nick the Booksmith. This image I just got off of Google and I sewed around each image. That is Tsunami Rose. And I just did some amazing little layering. And I also sprayed this. You can't see it in the video, but it's sparkly with some of, I sprayed it with this right here. Just slightly. So it has a little sheen to it. And I just a vintage button with some lace and fibers. And inside each bag there is a traveler's notebook journal. These are double cardstock covers. All have been sewn around and metal corners. And you can take this off if you want and stick it in your TN, or you can just use it as a journal. And they each come with a bag of goodies. Ignore that because this is just packaging I had to find to put the stuff in, or it had just been everywhere. So it's more than 24 pieces, so don't look at that. But each one of them has a bag full of goodness. There's a whole bunch of like tabs and metal pieces, buttons, bling, doilies, washi tape, flowers, all sorts of stuff in here. When you dump it out, you'll see there's a lot of stuff. And each one comes with 2 yards of lace. This one has this pretty lace in it. It's super soft. I love this lace. And it also has this pretty lace. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite ones actually. But there's a yard of this and a yard of this. Each one of them comes with that. Not the exact same, but I'll show you the laces. And on the inside of this, we have, let me sit down, I'm sorry. Oh, my back hurts. They're all the same except for each one, the ephemera is slightly different. And this says, all you need is love. Everything is coffee dyed. This is a little booklet. And let's see. Everything is coffee dyed in here. We have this extra page. I'm going to take this off. It's getting caught on things. An extra page of coffee dyed paper shaped as an envelope. And it's just over this vintage music paper here. And there's 2 little tickets, extra tickets, and this Tsunami Rose little jar. I just added some jute to. I love this vintage paper right here. Oh, it's one of my favorites. A Yahtzee. And I did sewing in each one of these. This is a coin envelope that I made. Trina showed me how to do these the other day. And I just made a coin envelope for each one. There's nothing inside there. I sewed all around it. Made out of the extra cutoff papers. They have a bag. This one has a journaling card. They're just slightly decorated. Edith Holden page. A doily. This book page, they each have a little bit of pom-pom trim. This book page is out of this book, which I absolutely love this book. They're so pretty, so much pretty flowers in there. And some graph paper. Each one has an envelope I made in the middle. And this one has vintage playing card and a piece of ephemera and some 3 extra tickets. I have a lot of tickets. Oh, that racket just came on. Each one has this little coffee dyed tag. If you can hear my air compressor, sorry about that. I forgot to turn that off. This is the other side of that book page, which I love. Edith Holden, so pretty. The other side of this just has a guest check in there. Some vintage school writing paper. And this one has a vintage postcard and a tag. This one has a letter on the back from 1958. I still have a bunch of those. Has a sticker. Oh, I wrinkled that. So cute. I love all them holes right there. They each have a little fabric flip. This fabric is so soft. And the back, live simply, give generously, and they have 2 tags. One is sewn with coffee dyed paper, and they each have a little booklet of paper back here. I don't know, I think there's like 6, 7 pages of tablet right there. And that is number 1, journal in a bag. And I'm going to go ahead and tie this shut really quick, because if I don't, I'll probably get them mixed up. I will put this with this little bundle over here and go to book or bag number 2. This one right here. I absolutely love her. Everything's the same. Flowers, Tsunami Rose, Nick the Booksmith, Tsunami Rose, and just an image off of not Pinterest. Maybe Pinterest, I don't know. I've had it for so long. And this book has, let's see, this cover. Ooh, love it. I love all these flowery covers. Oops, they're so pretty. Ah, this one doesn't have book corners, but it has these metal book corners right here, if you can see those on the front, because I ran out of book corners, so I think 2 of them have these on the corners. And this is one of them. Oh, here's the goodie bag for this one. I just love this so much. There's paper clips, there's old stamps, there's just tons of goodness in there. This one has this beautiful pink lace trim. And this beautiful vintage looking trim. And again, a yard of each. And let's go inside. I'll set this one over there. This is the inside of this one. Again, a large tag. This one says adventure is worthwhile. And I'll just try to go pretty fast. A little booklet of paper. And I won't take this off because it's exactly the same as the first one. Just extra paper for journaling. Vintage Yahtzee. Pocket with the sewn coin pocket. This one has the extra cutoff of this journaling card here. Edith Holden. This is this page out of that book. Oh, I love that. So pretty. I won't take this one off, but an envelope. Same thing as the last one. A sticker there. Pom-pom trim here. So pretty and dainty. There we go. Guest check inside. And again, a postcard with a letter and a tag. I left some of the strings on. This one has a fabric flip here. And a tag, or 2 tags back here. There is Beauty in Simplicity and the little tablets back here. And that is number 2. I'm going to try to keep going here. Here is number 3. I super love it. Basically all the same, just a little different. And inside this one, I didn't give myself much room to work here. It's just really clustery. Sorry about that. This beautiful one, oh my goodness, I love this. This one has the metal corners on front and back. I super love it. Here is the goodie bag for this one. Same stuff throughout, just slightly different. Whatever I put in this one, I put in that one. The colors might vary or something like that, but it's about the same. This one has this trim, and there's the slight green in this trim, which I love. And then again, this beautiful little dainty trim right here. Super love that. And then this one, let me put this over here. Come on, little girl. Open up. I super love this. I won't take it all out, but I'll show you this so you know, you can see the inside is the same, just different pages, or, you know, might just be clipped in differently. I love this paper too. It's got lines on it. There is the coin pocket. This has a different bag, and there's that tag. I love this page. Edith Holden. Keep flipping through. I love that. So cute. I love those so much. I love that one. I just love all of it so much. I'm a goofball. This one has got a postcard instead of a plain postcard. It's the one with flowers. And a ticket. A little fabric flip in this one. And 2 tickets. And throw kindness around like confetti. I love that. And this one has a different tablet in the back, but same amount of pages. And I love this. It's so pretty. And that is number 3. I'll set her over there. Oh, I think I might be able to make it. I don't know how many minutes we are so far. We're 12. Okay. And here is number 4. I'll just show you the lace really quick. I love the button on there. So pretty. I'll show you this little. I just think it's so cute. And this is the cover on this one. Gorgeous. The bag of goodness. And here, this one has this pretty lace. And this pretty lace. So pretty. I love the. Okay, let's set this on that side so I don't get it confused. And let's just do a really quick flip so you don't get bored on me. I just want you to see the insides. I'll just flip through to the, so you can see the page colors and things that are in here. And the coin pocket. And the jar tag. And let's see here. I love that. The envelope. A sticker flip out. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Another flip out. Some of them have flips, some of them don't, but they all have the same amount of pages and bags and doilies and tuck spots. Vintage card with a tag. A fabric flip. A tag, look on the bright side, and a notebook back here. And that is number 4. I'll set this one over here and go to number 5. And this is number 5. I love her so much. Okay, let's get this stuff out. They feel heavy, like there's something in there. This is the cover on this beauty. And the bag of goodness. And And the beautiful lace. And this one has the pink lace trim. I don't know if you can see that, but that goes with this one. Let's open up so you can see the colors on this one. I love this. I love all the flowers on these. They're so gorgeous. And this one has all the same ephemera, only, you know, slightly different. It says look on the bright side. And we'll do a quick flip on this one. The Queen Pocket, journaling card, Edith Holden. We'll flip on that side. Look at that prettiness. The envelope. I love that. It's so pretty. Pretty. And this has a guest check. This one has this vintage card. Postcard. I have lots of those, so I'm trying to use them up and share with everyone. The fabric flip in this one. And of course I got the hiccups now. At least my dogs are not barking in this one and playing and causing havoc. Thank goodness. My goodness. The last video I did, they were causing so much havoc. I was sorry if you watched that video and got annoyed with that. I couldn't make them stop. I tried to get them to go outside and they wouldn't. So, yeah. This is number 5. So, yes, all of these are available. If you are interested, I will put my Facebook and Bloom and Sticks links below, and you can PM me on either one of those. And I'll link my Instagram down there. And, yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching this whole video. If you're still here, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow my channel. Please like and comment below if you liked it. And yes, I will love to hear from you if you are interested in any of these. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.